So from personal loans to home loans to credit cards and everything in between. We'll talk about all of that with Sachin Desai. He is the business head of banking at Policybazaar.ae. Okay, Sachin, ready to swipe through some credit card trivia?
Yeah.
What's the best purchase you've ever made with a credit card?
A luxury watch.
If you could design the ultimate credit card perk, what would it be?
I would say a credit card that doesn't need me to pay it at the end of the statement.
What's your go-to credit card feature that you can't live without?
You can enjoy 55 days of interest free. That's the best feature that's available on every goddamn credit card.
Okay, what's the one way to avoid high interest rates on credit cards?
Please make a full payment on time and make sure that you don't do any cash withdrawals.
True or false? You need a perfect credit score to get premium credit cards.
Yes, no history of any check bounces or delinquency collections in the past.
For more tips, for more credit card know-how, check out the Policy Project and like, share, subscribe.